will now perform the seesaw, a manoeuvre made up of two opposed pedal turns, similar to stall turns in the fixed wing world. It is well known that the Chinook makes an incredible sound while in flight, and this will be ably demonstrated to you before the aircraft carries out its next manoeuvre, the Corny Climb.
Por Dios, qué va.
The Corny was named after the base in Bosnia, where the Chinook demonstrated its excess of power compared to other helicopters in theatre. It is followed by a 720 corkscrew descent from around 1,000 feet. The crewman will be regretting that extra sandwich about now. As Paul comes off this pedal turn, you'll see him making an approach to demonstrate a two-wheeled running landing and rearward two-wheel taxi. This is a unique ability of the tandem rotor helicopter design.
Por Dios. Qué bárbaro.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as they bow for you now, please give a big cheer and a wave to the 2013 Chinook display team. As Paul departs, I would just like to say it's been a pleasure to display for you all here today, and on behalf of the team, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day at Cosford, and we hope to perform for you all again at an event in the near future.